Welcome back, guys. Crypto4Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about Bitcoin USDT trading pair with my customer set. Updates based on current result on United States election. Let's dive in. What I always recommend you, it's not react too emotionally on everything what's going on around, right? So when you get a plan, you just follow the plan. Of course, I totally understand. My video is too boring. You know, I always told about a plan and all of that stuff. But guys, this is how the market works. And this is differences between the trader, investor, and just adult people who understand what they're doing with their own money and not react emotionally. So not chase every single green candle, not react on all of that social media posts from other like-and experts. Guys, that guy with 100K followers that know absolutely the same things about a future like you do. So basically, we don't know the future. Nobody knows the future. So you just follow your plan or not. So that's a case. That's not a magic or so. Technically, we're just in the range. So yesterday I made a post. So here, if it's a range, since February. So imagine we're just in a basic range. We formed deviation at the bottom in August. Now we form deviation at the top in November. So based on election. So with election or without election. So anyway, this as this asset could be delivered to this area, to new all-time high. So yeah, so we sweep at the new all-time high. And what? Something crazy happened. Some God candle, like everybody talk about. So Trump should win, and we will see the God candle 200K. No, we're not. So this is just the basic price action. Tomorrow or on the next 4-hour candle, everything can happen with the market, with the Bitcoin. So guys, my take is, so we came into the deviation. We already here trade like 254 days. So basically, it's more than enough for a range. Can we trade longer in this range? Like, let's say here, this is the daily time frame. Can we trade now and drop to equilibrium? Of course we can. Easily, just in eye blink. In tomorrow, we will see the FOMC's decision about the rate, and we can see something like this one, for example. Then drop, sweep this liquidity pools, drop it down here around this area. They will deliver some news from Iran, attack Israel, and all of that stuff. Guys, everything can happen in the world. You know, everything can happen in the market. So you just follow your plan or not. For altcoins, I think in the next week can be the good entries. Almost at the best entries for investment. Of course, even now, the altcoins lay down at the bottom. For example, I double-checked yesterday the 1 inch. The 1 inch lay down at the bottom, historical low on the listing price on the Binance. So it's good entries, absolutely good entries. How low we can drop? So we can drop even till here, 66K, for example. I don't think so we'll drop so low. So everything will be more clearly understandable on the chart, I guess Monday, because we will see the reaction on the market on the FOMC's rate, and in most cases, all of that move here since October, middle of October, beginning of September, it's front runner because of United States election. So all of that move, it's like, let's say this one, how many percentage? So 45% on the BTC, it's crazy, right? So it's front runner on a Trump potential victory. So what we will see next, nobody knows, guys. Now we formed that deviation at the top. Usually when we form deviation at the bottom, deviation at the top, you know, and we are in the uptrend direction. Yes, we can see some correction to 70K, for example, to 68. Hold the line, good. We continue the rally higher. If not, even the 62K, 63, it will be still okay to test the equilibrium. Basically, we many times traded here. Nothing special happening now in the market, and don't need to make some so quick decisions based on some candles. You just follow your plan, what you build even here. or even in Zone 22. That's pretty simple. If we take a look on a spot, last cycle I showed you, it's not BLX, it's a BTC USDT on a Binance. So this FIP absolutely still relevant. So this was a top, this 27 block. We traded even under that block. So let's go to weekly time frame. If this support, here we now trade way over first level. So the next step is 1.61 level by FIP 91K 300 and 127K for BTC. It's more than real to see. I don't think so the BTC will perform like Nvidia. You remember I compared the charts Nvidia and BTC, but yes, if BTC just repeat the story of Nvidia, right? So we can reach this target 185, but I don't think so. We'll go so high. So the next step is 91, 127, 163. When? Nobody knows. Yes, nobody knows the future. So here we test 0.5 level by FIP if we use this FIP. If we hide this FIP and use this one, for example, like the top, main top, and this like correction. So let's check the numbers. Let's extend a lot. All right, this one. So the same story, but we hold the line at 61. And the next step, a little bit less one. So it's 86 and 121. So more than real to see. Also, the plan with gold and BTC correlation still relevant. So what to do now for BTC? For BTC, just ask yourself, is it okay for you, for example, to buy the asset here with potential 67% on the spot and 100% on the spot. So it's for everyone who want to buy the BTC at all-time high. I don't see any reason. What's the point to buy the BTC? Just because it's BTC? No, makes sense, guys. Better, of course, it's my personal decision. Better try to find some good altcoins which still not perform, because of course if you compare, for example, the Injective and Algorand, of course the Algorand get more chances to see better gains from these current prices, because Injective already made a crazy gains, right? So that's the point. So for Bitcoin, nothing special happened. So absolutely nothing's happening. And for altcoins, of course, would be good to see the BTC around this area, then consolidation. So, we gotta like, let's go to weekly time frame. We gotta like, let's take a look. Impulse. So some consolidation or correction, impulse, less than this one, consolidation, correction, and another impulse. The last one, shorter, form something like this one and going down to the bear market. How low we can drop, nobody knows. So for example, if that cycle we dump like 77%, so let's say from this area 77, it can be here around 30k. So once again 23, maybe if we count from the top, for example, hypothetical top from these areas, it's 30k can be like a magnet for BTC. Maybe. It's hard to say how high we will pump, how high we will drop. I don't think so. We will go over than 200k and all of that crazy numbers. With inflation or without inflation, with the geo or macro, absolutely doesn't matter. And then I think we'll go into bear market. So guys, better build a real conservative price targets for altcoins, and follow your plan. For BTC, bullish targets I showed you, I don't think so. We will drop from this current price, for example, like this one, too bearish. It's basically no make sense because we're already breaking out with retest like this one or without. I guess it doesn't matter. So I don't think so. This is a sweep of new all-time high, end of bull run like this one, formed some triple top or so, and we go into the crazy bear market. Now I think in Zone 25 bear market. BTC will perform pretty good one. We will see some stupid euphoria around the crypto market in Zone 25. All ideas about a geopolitics, about a macro, what I shared in Zone 22, Zone 23 about a spring Zone 25 still relevant. So I highly recommend you not skip the post. And guys, don't build some crazy expectations in your head about altcoins or so. idea and the logic, for this current moment I shared. So I highly recommend you track the previous text post, what I shared before. Hope you like this video, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.